Hello guys, welcome back once again to another crypto live session with Crypto with me. I'm your host Brian, and of course I will update you guys on the latest airdrop on a weekly basis. And before I start, just a short disclaimer: past performance doesn't guarantee future result. Whatever buying selling recommendation for the week or whatever coins recommendation by me, please do your due diligence for investing into any kind of coins. All right, so let me share the screen. Okay, first thing first, what we're going to see is the crypto market outlook on what's really happening on the week. So what we can see here right now on the total tree. So total tree is the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is totally based only on altcoins, okay? Whether it's from micro, small, or mid cap to large cap, all will be here. Okay, what we can see here on this chart here, right, is actually trending towards the upside. And of course, what I can see is that the resistance is this level right now at 510.8. Okay, and it's about to break towards the upside. And then the next level to watch is definitely this level here at 673.22. Okay, so overall it's quite bullish. Okay, get the weekly time frame, setting up the level here as a support, create a higher high, higher lows, and it's about to break. So this week the watch is this level here, 503.0958 needs to break above. Closing above the week on the week, it will be enacting a very bullish candle. Okay, but again, you can see all these test candle of these wicks here is also to be very careful to watch. Okay, might have another pullback again if this were to play out. And then look on to the daily time frame. You can see the daily now is trending up, closing above the top EB, yesterday's candle, showing sign of a bullish momentum. It's about to break higher, even on H4 as well. Okay, look onto the dominance chart on BTC. So BTC on the dominance. Okay, so how far is BTC strength? Now we can see nice setup, higher highs, higher lows. Trend channel is still trending towards the upside. Okay, we can see the setup is still uptrend. Okay, and then the levels is to break is this level here, continuation at 53.82. Okay, so if we look on to the money here, the next level we might see is this level here at 58.35. Okay, for the dominance. Okay, then on weekly time frame. So the weekly did a candlestick change of direction from buy to sell. You can see this is a bearish engulfing, closing below. Now it's back up again, and it's still closing inside the top BB. Okay, so as long as closing inside top BB, it will be a bearish setup for dominance. So if the dominance were to get rejected at the sell zone or the top BB again, might see a break below, maybe at least to the lower maybe at 50.27%. Okay, so if that's for the case, then alts will definitely rally against BTC. Okay, this is my take. And then on Ethereum against Bitcoin, all you can see here on this setup for Ethereum against Bitcoin, okay, very, very important to know how strong is the altcoins together with Ethereum will outpace against Bitcoin. So on Monday, it is still looking quite bad. Okay, momentum sell, pullback for the entry sell, it's breaking down. Okay, there's no sign of reversal yet on the monthly time frame. You can see there are two dojis here. Then the current monthly candlestick, you see, creating another bearish candle. If this were to trend towards the downside, might see this level to be playing out here at 0.04370. Okay, might come back down for test. And then look on to the weekly candlestick. So the weekly candlestick, what we can see is that the price did a candlestick change of direction from sell to buy, back now from the entry buy. Now, all eyes on the critical support zone will be here. So this level, it needs to break, it needs to maintain, okay, for alts not to get wrecked. Okay, 0.05066 is the level to watch for the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. Okay, because if it continues to break towards the downside, that's where it's going to be a huge problem. Okay, that's when the alts will come in a bit more. Now, looking onto the Bitcoin chart. So the Bitcoin chart, you can see here the setup is breaking higher, and it's at 47.382. Okay, now you have also surpassed this level here. So resistance zone, then this level here also to watch. So all eyes on these levels here. Okay, the 47, 45K is the 45.4 and then the 47.2. Okay, very critical because there's no reversal yet, for Bitcoin, and it's quite concerning. How long this rally can sustain will be another big question. Because if it continues to rally again, might see a retest all the way here at 58.7. Okay, so I'm not sure how high is this going to sustain. Okay, and then if there's a retracement that is coming, might see around here. Okay, the pullback maybe around the 43. Okay, but I think will be here, 38.5 again. Then this levels here at 35K. Now, weekly. Now, the weekly time frame, right? You can see the trend is trending higher, momentum, pull back for the entry buy, breaking up again, and then it also surpassing this level here, the critical resistance zone at 45.5. So if it breaks above 45.5, then that's where it's going to be very, very strong, very solid there from this side, okay, for Bitcoin. Okay, so far overall the trend is bullish momentum, okay, on daily and weekly also is breaking towards the upside. So far it's trending up, okay, everything is bullish. All right, then looking onto Ethereum chart, also can see trending is up, breaking higher again. Ethereum chart is also breaking higher. Then the next resistance to watch is this zone at 2.7K. 2.7, I think it could continue higher, and then at 2 or 3K, 2.7 to 3K area, right? Okay, so moving on next on airdrops, on what is the latest updates that is happening on this week alone. Okay, on the week from the 4th till the 10th, right? What's really happening? So what we can see here, first thing first, is coming in from injective protocol. Injective system is from Black Panther. Okay, the DEX itself, they're mentioning the airdrop will be happening on 1st March. Okay, less than 1 month from now, they'll be having their first ever airdrop. Okay, for those who are actually staking their injective on Black Panther, so congratulations, this is only the first snapshot. There'll be another snapshot that is happening on the 29th of February, end of this month. Okay, for the second snapshot. So for those who have missed the first snapshot, not to worry, you're given another chance to stake with Black Panther to qualify for the second round of snapshot. Okay, so what you'll be getting is the points. Okay, so 1 point is equivalent to 1 black token. Okay, so what we are getting is we are getting the point. So that's where we'll be using the point to convert into a black token. And that's how we're getting our Black Panther tokens. And that is their requirement. Okay, so all in all, this is the latest announcement coming in from Black Panther themselves from 5th February. Okay, and then further updates on instruction on the claim drop will be announced later on, I think after 1st March. So on the current time frame at the moment is that you can continue to stake with Black Panther to qualify for the second round of snapshot on the 29th of February. And of course, the thing that we are getting is the point. Okay, 1 point equivalent to 1 black token. That's the take here for injective. All right, so yeah, okay, so these are the things. And then moving on next, we're looking at PRYZM. So PRYZM is also launching their own airdrop as well. But first thing that they want to do is that they are actually encouraging, they have opened another node for tier delegators. Okay, open a node for tier. So for those who are actually staking Celestia, okay, under other delegators like 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘀, Stake Friends Validator, Imperator, maybe you might want to delegate some to PRYZM. Okay, so if you delegate your Celestia to PRYZM Validator, okay, you're actually qualifying for their PRYZM airdrop as well. Okay, when you do not know yet, but I think it will be very soon because they are just creating a new node for those who want to stake Celestia. Okay, so currently you can see there are about 0.02085 wallets are currently delegating to the PRYZM network. Okay, so I think PRYZM also, they are going to launch their own mainnet as well. And at the moment that you can able to do their testnet as well. They have their own testnet as well. So if you're also participating in their testnet, okay, by swapping, voting, delegating in their own testnet system, then I think you stand a chance to qualify for the airdrop as well. I even have the tutorial on the PRYZM testnet, okay, on one of my videos, so you can be able to refer back. Okay, so yeah, these are the steps that you can be able to stake. Okay, so currently their validator is currently inactive at the moment, so you need to follow these instructions given by PRYZM, okay, in order for you to stake your Celestia. So the more Celestia you stake with PRYZM, then the more PRYZM tokens that you'll be getting. Okay, so these are the things that released by PRYZM network. So you might want to take some Celestia, okay, to stake with PRYZM. So I think this will be quite promising as well. Okay, so this is from the 9th of February. Okay, this is for yesterday's news announcement. Okay, so very, very good. And then of course, moving on next, we have DOKI. I think DOKI has been delaying since last month as well. Okay, DOKI is actually a meme coin. okay, in the Cosmos ecosystem. And of course, right now they have finally made an announcement that they are going to do the drop on the 10th, which is today, 9 p.m. UTC. Okay, so I think most of you who have already qualified for this airdrop, okay, by just taking Cosmos Atom, okay, and Celestia as well, by giving you a chance to claim this airdrop. Okay, so this is totally a meme coin. Okay, there's no fundamentals, no utility as well. And it's all driven by hype and narrative. So this is definitely, you have to do your own due diligence, right? And it's definitely high risk. Okay, and of course, this is definitely a free. So it's worthwhile claiming the tokens. I think this meme coin, okay, might have a huge impact on the Cosmos ecosystem. So let's see, because I think we have other meme coin as well that is on injective ecosystems like Ninja, Ninji, okay, and then 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝗀 on the injective ecosystem. So I think for Cosmos, I think it was about time to start off, right, with a hype from DOKI. Let's see. Okay, no promises or guarantees here, but nonetheless, this anyway is a free gift from DOKI. So I will do update you guys on the claim, okay, and especially on the Telegram group. Okay, so I think this is the one that you'll be waiting for, another hype as well. So yeah, finally been mentioning. So let's wait, okay, for tonight. Okay, then moving on next, we have another airdrop to claim or to qualify. So for those of you who are yet to stake your tokens like Celestia, Atom, Osmo, okay, this is tips for you. Okay, coming in from Airdrop Glide app, okay, mentioning that the snapshot has not been taken yet, okay, from Coffee Drop, okay, Coffee Drop. Okay, so what are the requirements here? The requirement here, you need to stake a minimum of 10 Celestia, a minimum of 20 Atom, a minimum of 120 Osmo, okay? And of course, here you do not have to stake these three at one. You can either choose, okay? You don't have to do all. You say all criteria need to meet. No, just one. So if I were you, if I'm on a budget, on a restricted budget, the cheapest that I would definitely go for maybe will be Osmo. Because Osmo currently right now, the price is about 1.5 to 1.6. Okay. So I think if it adds up, it's about the same value. Yeah, I think it's about the same value. All right. But 120 times by 1.6, given at the current price. Okay. How much would that be? It's about almost $200. Okay. If you take Celestia as well, right? 10 Celestia times by $20, the current price is about 200. Yeah, so it's about the same $200 value, but okay, for this. Okay, it's about $200. Okay, so it looks like Coffee Drop. What are they doing, right? So it's actually a NFT platform. Okay, Coffee Drop doing NFT on Cosmos. Okay, so this is their website here. Okay, so this is more towards the NFT. Okay, so they even mentioned here, okay, eligibility for the airdrop. Okay, TIA stakers, Cosmos, and Osmo. These three, either one. Okay, so you can able to stake, you can start staking because the snapshot has not been taken yet. So you want to do some touch up. So if you have a stake your Celestia, Atom, or Cosmos, and you know that it's not much, that you need to do some touch up, okay, or some top up, then please do so, okay, before the snapshot takes place, because they have already given you the clue and tips on what you need to do, the requirement. So it is very, very important. Okay. So if you look at Coffee Drop here, this is their website. So this is the minting page under Stargaze Room. And Stargaze having their own launchpad as well. So yeah, this is the Coffee Drop. Okay. It's created by Stars. Right. So it's NFT collection based on 7,000 of coffees. So I think this is actually another hype as well. Another NFT collection. So I wouldn't expect much coming in from Coffee Drop. Okay, so yeah, these are the things that you want to get some free stuff. This is the things that you need to do. Okay, the requirement here. Okay, Celestia, Atom, and Osmo. Okay, then moving on next. Okay, so last or second last. Okay, so this is coming actually from the Ethereum side, Ethereum layer 2, Starknet. I've been mentioning for even last week as well. Token most likely to be dropping by this month. Okay, because what is really happening in the background and from the development side coming in from Argent X on Argent HQ, right? So Argent is actually a wallet for Starknet, okay, one of the wallet provider, okay, and they have also mentioning regarding about the airdrops on their blog, on their, they have also written an article how to claim your airdrop as well through the Argent X wallet. So you can see here the Starknet token is coming soon, okay, all right, and it will be updating on many multiple decentralized apps on the Starknet platform, okay, all right, and then of course you can see some dexes like Evno, 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘀, okay, I think Nostra as well. They are also hinting on the Starknet airdrop, and of course how you can able to use your Starknet to provide utility, and of course to use your Starknet to swap, okay, and of course to bridge out as well. So these are the signs and hints that are already given out, and then announcement in February or maybe next week. Okay, so I think most likely it will be coming very, very soon. You can see the stress test also has been done, and then the token, the ticker sign has been also issued out, STRK. Okay, you look at the platform, some of the platforms, the DEX platform have also listed Starknet already. So you can say coming soon. So you know that it's already happening. Okay, so it is one way or another is that when, the matter is that when is it going to drop? Okay, so clarity has been given, but only the dates. Okay, so this is on the platform. You can see Starknet token has been issued out already. Right? Then pre-market opening. Okay, it is about to happen for Starknet. So congratulations for you guys who actually did the farming. Okay, swapping, buying the Starknet ID. Okay, providing liquidity, bridging from Ethereum mainnet to Starknet. Okay, I think finally we can see that I think most likely it will be coming in. So yeah, what do you think? Most likely, I believe it will be on February although. Okay, I think it will be happening. Okay, so yeah, these are the things for Starknet. So overall, it is very bullish. I think most likely it will ignite the bull market or the altcoin season for Ethereum. You know what's more with the ETF that is coming in on May this year. Then, of course, last but not least, we are looking at also another one outside from the Cosmos Injective ecosystem is nonetheless from Wormhole. Okay, so for those who for those of you who interacted with Wormhole ecosystem, right? Talking about interoperability, cross-chain solution, Wormhole is there. Okay, they are more towards the interoperability side, powering multi-chain and application, and of course, bridging as well, right? So you have tokens from Binance Smart Chain, you want to bridge to Say Network or to Sui Network, Wormhole is a solution. Okay, any type of network that you want to bridge, Wormhole is there. So of course, but I believe many of us who are not aware of this Wormhole airdrop, and there are only about less than 100,000 users who are actually interacting with Wormhole. Okay, and they are actually airdropping about 70% goes to the community members. So you can see the huge potential coming in from Wormhole. Okay, and then the snapshot have already been taken. Okay, taken since the blog post on the 8th of February. So most likely on the 7th, okay, on the 7th. Because when they returned this blog, it was on the 8th of February. So it's one day before snapshot has been taken. Okay. And if you look here, the interactive wallets is only about 91,000. And you look at the funding, it's about 225, huge potential. So you imagine that 91,000 wallet users that interacted with Wormhole, and VCs funded about 225 million. And then the community airdrop that they are actually given up about 17%. Okay, 17% based to community members with a 11% TGE, token generation event, they'll be issuing out, and the rest will be vested. That is huge. And then if you look at the airdrop value, it's about 1.1 billion. That is a huge, and many people are literally slipping away. Okay, compared to layer zero, they have a huge users about 1.1 million. They're actually interacting on layer zero. So you can see the valuation of the airdrop is definitely diluted, huge compared to Wormhole, which is 10 times less than layer zero, right? And then what is the probability of the airdrop value that we are getting for each wallet? I'm saying, imagine if you're farming more than one wallet, that will be equivalent to about 7.3K US dollars for interacting with Wormhole, right? Interacting with Wormhole. So you can see on this article here, 17% goes to the community. That is huge. And then 11% of this allocation will be unlocked at the token generation event. Okay, token generation event, right? So snapshot of this airdrop has been taken before publishing of this block. So this is huge, 11%, or which is 1.1 billion of the Wormhole token, which is also known as W as a ticker, will be unlocked on the token generation event itself. So the remaining 6% will be unlocked after 4 months of the TGE. Okay, so this is huge. Imagine 7,000 US dollars. You're getting at, let's say, example, 10%. That is about 700 USD straight away given to you. And then all you need to do is wait after 4 months. Then you're getting another additional 6%. Okay, additional 6%. So this is huge. Okay, this is really, really huge. I think this is a very good marketing opportunity from Wormhole, because they have only issued out since late November or December, and within 2 months they have already taken the snapshot. Okay, so within 2 months, right? So some of them are using Wormhole since Terra Luna era. Are those transactions also considered? So I think definitely yes. The Wormhole has been existed since the last cycle as well. Okay, since the Terra Luna era. Okay, I believe I also did use Wormhole for Terra Luna as well. Okay, this has been a while. So I think this will definitely qualify. Okay, if you are a long or OG user or long timer, I think you should have qualified as well. So these are the airdrop updates that I have for you guys for this week, and I believe this could be a good one, good quality, but I believe more to come as well. So that's all I have for this week, guys. And once again, thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next live session again. Next updates will be on the next weekend. Once again, guys, thank you and happy holiday, guys. See you.